So now that you have your business registered, you'll have your business registration and a registration number. You want to make sure those documents, as well as any business documents, are available in a safe place in your home. You can also keep them at a bank safe, or alternatively, keep PDFs and photos of these documents available to you on your computer or on a drive. So this could be a Microsoft OneDrive, a Google Drive, an email. This will help you be able to search up documents as you need them, and you'll be surprised how often you might need them on the go. So that registration, your sole proprietor, partnership, your corporation, that's what's called a business registration. Folks often get business registrations confused with business licenses and permits, so we're going to dive into that. So then what is a permit? Well, a permit is a piece of paper that acknowledges that you have the certifications, the proper space, the proper experience required by industry standards to operate the business that you want to run. So, for example, if you run a tourism business, a food business, trades business, daycare, the list goes on. It really varies from the type of business that you operate and what the industry requires of business owners to ensure that they're up to code. So if you are wondering, okay, well, how do I find out what kind of permit I need? The best place to go is to go directly to the department or the organization that will be giving out those permits. So for example, if you are a tourism business, you would go see Tourism Yukon. If you are in agriculture, you would contact folks at agriculture, and onwards you go. You can also see we have some resources below that can help you find the right permits and the places to go and get those permits. So what is a business license? A business license is not a permit, and it is not a business registration. It is the permission from the local city to run the business that you want to run in the location that you want to run it. Business licenses ensure that the zone that you're in and that you're going to be operating in are the right ones. So you're not going to start a business in a home setting which is not approved or not allowed. So for example, if you want to run a restaurant, you'd have to make sure that you're in the proper zone. And so the city won't give you the business license unless you are in the right zone and unless you have the proper permits for building or for the other business operations. So when you're registering and ensuring that you have everything you need, the first step is the business registration. The second step is getting all of your permits, potentially insurance, and then getting your city license from Whitehorse or the other communities. So one more thing to know about getting your business license from the city. If you are renting or if you're living on campus, you need to have permission from who you are renting from in order to register your business at the location where you live. And if you do continue without a city license and you receive complaints at that address, you can have serious consequences. If you're at the end of this video and you're still feeling a little bit confused about the differences between business registration, permits, and licenses, that's totally okay. It is a confusing process, but you don't have to go through it alone. So you can book a session with our pathfinding support. You can call your local municipality, or you can reach out directly to the different departments to ensure that you have everything you need to feel good about the business that you're starting.